Ever wonder why your pineapple costs so much? The journey from plant to fruit is longer than you think. Before a single pineapple even begins to form, the plant must first grow a flower, and that alone can take over a year. Once the flower appears, it slowly transforms into a pineapple over the next several months. It grows low and steady, focusing all its energy on producing just one perfect fruit at a time. That's why every pineapple takes its time, slowly growing into the sweet fruit we enjoy.
Each pineapple plant typically spends about 2 years growing before it produces just one beautiful fruit. But the story doesn't end after harvest. The plant grows small shoots called pups from its base. These pups can be replanted to grow a whole new pineapple plant. Nature's way of starting the cycle again.